Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a weight loss supplement that has been making waves in the market. It's called Metabo Flex, and it claims to be the world's first product that targets metabolic flexibility, which is the key to burning fat and losing weight. But what is metabolic flexibility, and how does Metabo Flex work? Is it safe and effective? And where can you buy it at the best price? In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions and more, so stay tuned until the end. Metabolic flexibility is the ability of your body to switch between burning fat and carbohydrates as fuel sources, depending on your activity level and dietary intake. When you're metabolically flexible, your body can adapt to changes in your calorie intake and expenditure, and use the most efficient fuel for your needs. This means you can burn fat when you're resting or fasting, and burn carbs when you're exercising or eating. This way, you can avoid storing excess fat and maintain a healthy weight. However, many people struggle with metabolic flexibility due to factors like aging, stress, hormonal imbalance, inflammation, and poor diet. When you're metabolically inflexible, your body becomes resistant to insulin, which is the hormone that regulates your blood sugar levels. This leads to high blood sugar and high insulin levels, which signal your body to store fat instead of burning it. This also makes you crave more carbs and sugar, creating a vicious cycle of weight gain and health problems. To improve your metabolic flexibility, you need to balance your hormones, reduce inflammation, and optimize your nutrition. One way to do that is by taking a supplement like Metabo Flex, which contains natural ingredients that support your metabolism and help you burn fat faster. Metabo Flex is a dietary supplement that contains a blend of 6 natural ingredients that target metabolic flexibility and help you lose weight. The main ingredient of Metabo Flex is a Cambodian miracle plant called Garcinia cambogia, which has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Garcinia cambogia contains hydroxycitric acid, HCA, which inhibits an enzyme called citrate lyase that converts excess carbs into fat. By blocking this enzyme, HCA prevents fat storage and increases fat burning. HCA also suppresses your appetite by increasing serotonin levels in your brain, which makes you feel happier and less hungry. The other ingredients of Metabo Flex are green tea extract, chromium picolinate, turmeric root extract, black pepper extract, and ginger root extract. These ingredients work together to boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, balance your blood sugar levels, enhance your digestion, and detoxify your body. By taking Metabo Flex daily, you can improve your metabolic flexibility and lose weight naturally and safely. Metabo Flex has many benefits and advantages over other weight loss supplements on the market. Here are some of them. It's made from natural ingredients that have been clinically tested for their safety and effectiveness. It has no artificial additives, fillers, or preservatives that could harm your health or cause side effects. It's easy to use and doesn't require any strict diet or exercise regimen. You just need to take 2 capsules per day with water before your meals. It's affordable and comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the results within 60 days of purchase, you can return the product and get a full refund. It's backed by positive customer reviews and testimonials from people who have achieved significant weight loss using Metabo Flex. Metabo Flex is only available online through its official website, metaboflex.com. You won't find it in any stores or other websites. This way, you can avoid any fake or counterfeit products that could scam you or harm you. The price of Metabo Flex varies depending on how many bottles you order. The more bottles you buy, the more discounts you get. Here are the current prices of Metabo Flex. 1 bottle, 30-day supply, costs $59 plus shipping. 3 bottles, 90-day supply, costs $147 plus free shipping. That's $49 per bottle. 6 bottles, 180 days supply, cost $234 plus free shipping. That's $39 per bottle. As you can see, the best value option is the 6-bottle package, which saves you $120 and gives you enough supply for 6 months. However, if you want to try Metabo Flex first before committing to a larger order, you can start with a 1-bottle or 3-bottle package. Metabo Flex offers excellent customer service and support to its customers. If you have any questions or concerns about the product, you can contact the company through email or phone. The email address is support@metaboflex.com and the phone number is 1-800-555-1234. You can also visit the FAQ section on the website to find answers to common questions about Metabo Flex. Some of the topics covered in the FAQ section are: how long does it take to see results with Metabo Flex? How long does shipping take, and how can you track your order? What are the payment methods and security measures for online transactions? How can you cancel your order or request a refund? How can you contact the company for more information or feedback? If you encounter any problems with Metabo Flex, such as damaged or missing products, allergic reactions, or unsatisfactory results, you can contact the company immediately and they will assist you with a solution. That's it for today's video on Metabo Flex. I hope you learned something new and useful about this weight loss supplement. If you're interested in trying Metabo Flex for yourself, I have a special offer for you. If you click on the link in the description below, you'll get access to a limited time discount on Metabo Flex. You'll also get free shipping and a 60-day money-back guarantee. This offer is only valid for a short time, so don't miss this opportunity to get Metabo Flex at the best price possible. Remember, Metabo Flex is a natural and safe way to improve your metabolic flexibility and lose weight faster and easier. It has helped thousands of people achieve their weight loss goals, and it can help you too. So don't wait any longer and order your Metabo Flex today by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.